sound. Wonderful. Oh, so coming down a step down there, first aeroplane going up, there's something a bit different. It's an aircraft type called an auto gyro. And again, it's John Greenfield. John loves doing things differently. And this is 1 to 3.5 scale. It has electric motor, and it's running on quite a big battery, 10S 5200 milliamps. The span across those road lanes, 2.1 meters, and it weighs in at 6 kilograms. The control is gained by rotating the head, the control head where you see the rotors, and there is a rudder and throttle there as well. John started this project back in 2021 during this, when everyone was locked down and he was looking for something to do. And the scale auto gyro. He made a small one just to try out the theory behind it all. And then the plan came from Mr. Steve Jones to be able to download. First flights were Christmas 2021. Apparently, as a unique experience, British Motor Flying Association there, he's just here, his head sticking out, he is in the cockpit. Order flight number, it's at 260 flights, not in that airplane, the BMFA has flown in everything. But the auto gyros were used for setting up, because they flow so flying speed, they were used for setting up the radar system to help with tracking incoming enemy aircraft. You couldn't do it with a conventional aircraft because the pass speed, the hold speed is quite low, whereas an auto gyro has a very, very slow flight speed and was ideal for setting up the radar maps and positioning. Unique model again by John, and the Ghost Squadron all done in-house as usual, and nice to see something different. Complete with BMFA tech there. Virtually 5-10 mile an hour, very high angle of attack, and that's how it performed position to allow them to calibrate the radar systems during the Second World War. Electric motors winding away a little bit there. What a lovely, tranquil evening to watch this decidedly different aircraft by John Greenfield and the Ghost Squadron team. And we saw it earlier on the first flights today. We've got Tony White now taking the software tabloid into the air. Apparently, as a unique experience, the British Flying Association there, he's just here, his head sticking out, he is in the cockpit. Order flight number, it's at 260 flights, not in